Smoking cigarettes is a common habit, but it comes with serious health consequences. For many, smoking begins with that first drag, often perceived as cool or relaxing. Initially, smoking can provide a rush of pleasure due to nicotine. Nicotine causes an immediate increase in heart rate and blood pressure. Over time, tar from cigarettes builds up in the lungs, leading to serious health issues. Smokers often experience shortness of breath and coughing due to lung damage. Regular smoking can lead to chronic bronchitis, characterized by persistent coughing and mucus production. Emphysema is a severe lung disease caused by smoking, damaging the air sacs. Lung function declines over time, making physical activity more challenging. Smoking weakens the immune system, increasing the risk of respiratory infections. Smoking significantly increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. Smoking damages blood vessels, leading to poor circulation. Smokers are at a higher risk for peripheral artery disease, causing pain in the legs. Smoking accelerates skin aging, leading to wrinkles and dryness. Cigarettes stain teeth, leading to discoloration and dental problems. Smokers often suffer from persistent bad breath due to tobacco use. Smoking diminishes the senses of smell and taste, affecting enjoyment of food. The smell of smoke clings to hair and clothing, making them unpleasant. Smoking is a leading cause of various cancers, particularly lung cancer. Many smokers face a long and difficult battle with cancer if they don't quit. Secondhand smoke affects not only the smoker, but also those around them. Family members, especially children, are at risk from secondhand smoke exposure. Smoking during pregnancy poses serious risks to the unborn child. Babies born to smoking mothers often have low birth weight and health complications. Smoking increases the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Smoking is linked to mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. Nicotine addiction makes quitting smoking very challenging. Smokers experience withdrawal symptoms when trying to quit, including irritability. Many smokers go through multiple quit attempts before succeeding. Support from friends and family can make a significant difference in quitting. Seeking professional help can provide valuable resources for quitting. Nicotine patches and gums can help ease withdrawal symptoms. Celebrating smoke-free milestones can motivate smokers to stay quit. Healthy improvements begin shortly after quitting smoking. Within months, lung function starts to improve significantly. The risk of cancer decreases over the years after quitting. Many former smokers regain their sense of taste and smell after quitting. Skin health improves as circulation enhances after quitting. Former smokers often report increased energy and stamina. Quitting smoking leads to significant financial savings over time. Non-smokers often find it easier to engage in social activities without the stigma. Former smokers can inspire others to quit through their journey. Replacing smoking with healthier habits is crucial for long-term success. Joining support groups can provide motivation and accountability. Identifying triggers helps in avoiding situations that lead to cravings. Developing healthy coping strategies is essential for managing stress. Celebrating small victories can keep motivation high during the quitting process. Sharing knowledge about the dangers of smoking can help educate others. Community events focused on smoking cessation can foster collective efforts. Campaigns and programs raise awareness about the dangers of smoking. Strong willpower is essential for overcoming cravings and staying smoke-free. Creating a smoke-free environment at home can aid in the quitting process. Quitting smoking is a long-term commitment that requires continuous effort. Many have successfully quit smoking and transformed their lives. Quitting smoking can lead to healthier relationships with friends and family. Former smokers often develop a more positive outlook on life. Quitting smoking opens the door to new opportunities and experiences. Embracing change is a crucial part of the quitting journey. The journey to a smoke-free life is ongoing and filled with ups and downs. A smoke-free future awaits those who take the brave step to quit. For more health and wellness tips, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.